Welcome to the dynamic and engaging world of reinforcement learning, where AI learns through trial and error. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an AI agent learns to make decisions by performing actions and observing the outcomes. The process involves an agent taking actions in an environment, receiving rewards or penalties, and learning to optimize its behavior over time. Reinforcement learning is used in diverse applications, from training autonomous vehicles to mastering complex games like Go or chess. Challenges in reinforcement learning include balancing exploration of new actions with exploitation of known rewards, and the need for extensive computational resources. As technology evolves, reinforcement learning will play a crucial role in advancing robotics, personal AI assistants, and more. Reinforcement learning is not just about programming intelligence, it's about nurturing an AI to learn from its own experiences. Join us in exploring more about how reinforcement learning is shaping the future of AI.